Get ready, it's coming, some really hot weather. And if you're not a fan of the hot weather, me either. That's why I have a ceiling fan in my bedroom.
I know, I really want one.
Well, if you're looking for the perfect fan, there's no need to travel across the entire state looking for one. I found a store with over 180 fans on display.
Wow.
Take a look. Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Scott, what are you doing?
Hey, Todd, how are you?
I'm good.
The guys
But
have been
these
kind
guys got to get back to work.
Yeah, but they've been kind enough to help me keep cool.
We have 180 ceiling fans on display in the other room.
Here at Connecticut Lighting?
Here at Connecticut
Oh,
Lighting.
thank you guys. I appreciate it. Let's go.
All right, this is where we have all the fans.
Oh my gosh, look at this. How many fans do you have here?
There's about 180 ceiling fans on display.
Okay, can we start with this one? Because this is beautiful.
Yeah, this is the windmill. So a really cool fan. Again, the really nice part about it is if you look for such a big fan, it's got a really small motor capacity. So very, very small and sleek, but just a really awesome look. LED light kit, which makes it extremely low profile, and just an awesome fan.
Wondering how big the fan is?
That's a 65-inch fan.
65-inch fan.
65-inch fan.
That'll circulate a lot of air.
It'll move a lot of air.
Need a fan in the man cave? Take a look at the Diabo.
This is more of a masculine fan, you know what? I thought this was really unique, really cool, with the two-tone band in the middle. Just a great look.
It really is, like for like the man cave.
Absolutely.
Or for you
man cave, an office. And then when you come over here, you know, that whole driftwood look is beautiful. Really popular. And again, both these fans from Monte Carlo are just a really unique look. Hand-carved blades, just a really nice updated look. And again, LED light kits, so you don't have to worry about getting up there to change your light bulbs. And the other thing is, as you notice, because it's LED, it's extremely flat. You don't have to house that big dish to hold the light bulbs in anymore. So again, because it's LED, just makes it a lot better.
Did you know that you can get a fan here at Connecticut Lighting starting at $89.95?
We stock white, stainless, and bronze. And all of them, we stock them three ways. We stock them without a light, we stock them with a 4-light fitter, and then we also stock them with a bowl.
Need a tabletop fan or a fan for your wall? They've got them.
Tabletop fans are hard to come by. Fanimation has a whole line of these, and they actually, these were designed after the old headlights from the Cadillac.
They're beautiful.
Really cool. Those are table fans there, and then wall fans. Kichler and Fanimation have come out with some really nice wall fans. And wall fans have become popular, especially in three-season rooms and whatnot.
Yeah, talk to me about this fan, Todd. I love this fan.
That is a Bluetooth LED light kit.
Seriously?
So, yeah, indoor, outdoor, Bluetooth LED light kit. It comes in different finishes, and the speaker's on the outside there.
Right here.
And again, extremely easy to use. Again, Bluetooth. You don't need Wi-Fi. You don't need anything. It's just proximity of your phone to the unit. Great unit.
So your fan now plays music. All I have to say to that is, yeah, I'll take at least one.
Not a fan of my singing? Okay, I'll stop as we move to another area of the showroom.
Here at Connecticut Lighting, they have an 8-foot ceiling set up right here, so you can get an idea of how the fan is going to look in your home, right, Todd?
Yeah, so many people in Connecticut still have 8-foot ceilings, especially upstairs in the bedroom. Again, another awesome fan from Kichler. This is the Cola. It comes 34, 44, and 54. It comes stainless steel, white, and bronze. And it comes as a dual mount, meaning you can either flush mount it, or you can put a down rod on it.
Connecticut Lighting has got you covered in terms of size of fans as well. This is the 26-inch fan, one of the smallest that they carry. This is perfect for that smaller space in your house. To this 84-inch outdoor fan by Fanimation. Now that's a fan.
We're now in the outdoor fan room.
Everything in this room is outdoor.
A wet-rated fan?
You can literally spray with the garden hose.
And you have both here at Connecticut Lighting.
We have both here, and it's really important when you're buying an outdoor fan that you know if it's damp rated or wet rated.
And from what I understand, people are telling me that you're one of my biggest fans, so I appreciate that.
Well,
thank you, Todd, Director.
Very cool.
All right, to see all that Connecticut Lighting has to offer, check out their website. It is ConnecticutCTLighting.com, and you can also shop in person at their locations in Hartford and in Southington.